Hello, fellow architecture enthusiasts. Welcome to MHYSMQH channel, where we explore how building design blends form, function, and perfect harmony with the surrounding environment. A stunning masterpiece blending modern architecture with nature's tranquility. Warm wood textures and natural stone walls embrace a lush green garden. A soothing mini waterfall welcomes you, creating a refreshing atmosphere that perfectly sets the tone for this peaceful mountain sanctuary. Step into pure comfort where elegance meets warmth. High ceilings with exposed wooden beams create a spacious feel, while large windows flood the room with natural light. Soft furnishings and earthy tones provide a cozy, inviting space perfect for relaxing or gathering with loved ones. The vibrant heart of the home, designed for connection and joy. This open concept layout seamlessly merges the dining area and modern kitchen, framed by massive glass walls. The space feels bright, airy, and connected to nature, making every meal and conversation a delightful experience. Your private sanctuary designed for ultimate rest and relaxation. Premium natural materials, soft lighting, and panoramic views create a serene atmosphere. The design balances luxury and simplicity perfectly, offering a peaceful retreat where you can wake up refreshed, surrounded by nature's beauty. A luxurious spa-like escape that combines functionality with style. Natural stone surfaces, sleek modern fixtures, and elegant lighting transform daily routines into moments of pampering. It reflects the chalet's natural charm while delivering a clean, fresh, and sophisticated ambience. an enchanting outdoor living space that extends your home into nature. This beautiful terrace overlooks a meticulously designed small green garden, offering the perfect spot to breathe fresh air and unwind. It is a true hidden gem where comfort meets breathtaking natural scenery.